are going to just discuss some of the expected questions from chemistry. So first we will discuss a few questions mainly from the first chapter, that is regarding the mole concept. So few questions we will discuss now. So let us get along with the first question. So what is the first question? How many grams of concentrated nitric acid solution should be used to prepare 250 ml of 2 molar HNO3. What is HNO3? Concentrated nitric acid. And the concentrated acid is 70% of HNO3. So here the options given are 90 grams, 70, 54 and 45. So here what all details are given in the question? See, number of moles of HNO3. So just remember this, that is molarity into volume, M into V. So just remember this formula for number of moles of HNO3 is equal to M into V, that is molarity into volume. So what all details are given in the question? Molarity is given, what is it? 2. So 2 into volume, what is volume? 250 ml, you just change it into milliliter to liter, so 250 divided by 1000. So when you do this, you get the number of moles of HNO3 which is equal to 0.5. Now what is the amount of HNO3 needed? So just remember this formula, number of moles into molar mass divided by percentage concentration. So number of moles we know that is 0.5. Okay, molar mass you calculate for HNO3. So when you calculate for HNO3, that is hydrogen, nitrogen and oxygen, 16 into 3, 48. Then for nitrogen it is 14 and H2 it is 2. So you get 63. So the whole divided by percentage concentration, that is 70 by 100. So when you take the reciprocal, because 70 by 100 comes in the denominator, you take and multiply with 100 by 70. So 0.5 into 63 into 100 by 70, and when you solve this you get 45 grams. Okay, so such types of questions are very important and likely to come for your exam. So just remember this. Now we will move on to the next question. Mole fraction of solute in 1 molar aqueous solution is, they are asking to find the mole fraction of solute in 1 molar aqueous solution. So the options are 1.77, 0.177, 0.0177 and 0.0344. Okay, so 1 molar solute will be equal to 1 mole of solute in 1 kg of water. So 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. So here number of moles of solute is 1. Okay, so what is the number of moles of solvent? See, 1000 divided by molecular weight of water is 18. So 1000 divided by 18 is 55.55. So mass of water is H2O, 16 plus 2, 18. So how will you calculate the mole fraction of the solute? That is number of moles of solute divided by number of moles of solute plus solvent. So 1 divided by 1 plus 55.55, when you calculate it you get it as 0.01768. Okay, so you can choose this third option, 0.017176, that is the nearest value coming. Fine. Okay, now so the next question is 6.02 into 10 raised to 20 molecules of urea are present in 100 ml of its solution. The concentration of the solution is, options are 0.01 mole, 0.001, 0.1 and 0.02. The number of moles of solute in 1 liter of solution. Okay, so number of molecules that is given in the question. See, it is 6.02 into 10 raised to 20. So number of moles is equal to number of molecules which is given divided by Avogadro number. So you know 6.02 into 10 raised to 20 by 6.02 into 10 raised to 23, you get 10 raised to minus 3 moles. Now volume of the solution, that is 100 ml. Okay, that is equal to divided by 1000, 0.1 liter. Okay, now you have to find out the molarity, that is number of moles by volume. Number of moles already you got 10 raised to minus 3 divided by volume is 0.1. So you get 0.01 mole. You can take 0.1 as 1 by 10 or 10 raised to minus 1. Okay. Now which option is correct? Option A is correct. Okay, now next question, which has the maximum number of molecules? Is it 7 gram nitrogen, 2 gram hydrogen, 16 gram NO2 or 16 gram oxygen? Okay, so here we will do this step by step. Number of moles of 7 gram nitrogen. So, you know, molecular mass of nitrogen is 14 into 2, 28. So, weight divided by molecular weight, 7 divided by 28, 0.25. Now, similarly, number of moles of hydrogen is 2 by 2, which is equal to 1. Now, that of NO2. So, weight of NO2 is 16 gram divided by mass of NO2 is 46, which is equal to 0.347. And number of moles of oxygen is 16 divided by 32. Okay, so that is equal to 0.6. Now, finally, which is the correct option? 2 gram hydrogen, which has the maximum number of molecules. So, just see how much of molecules hydrogen has. Just 1. All the other options it is less than 1. Okay, so these type of questions are very important and likely to come for Neet. I hope you understand all these sums. You practice all these sums. Just take a paper or a book and try to solve these sums so that you won't forget the formulas, and it will be easy for you to remember. If you just write down all these formulas alone, you prepare a formula sheet, because you know the last minute revisions, this will come very handy to you. And so I hope you understood these concepts, and more such questions you can practice from directly from the textbook, because mainly questions come straightly for chemistry. Most of the questions come from NCERT itself. So if you are thorough with the portions from NCERT, you can easily solve the questions which comes directly from the NCERT book. And I wish you all are preparing and doing your final revisions really well. And as always, do like, share and subscribe videos for the next once 2022 batch is over, we can start preparing for